So today I was sitting waiting for a package and I heard a thud, so this was thrown or dropped, and it's a sensitive piece of equipment. So thanks for that, Amazon. Inside it has this deflated airbag, and that's it, plus an inner box. So, as you know, if you've been a subscriber, you know the problems I've been having with my battery from Canadian Tire. Well, I'm still having problems with it, and I wanted to get one of these chargers, battery maintainers trickle charger, but I couldn't afford it. I did what I could over the winter and would start my car up and leave it running even when I wasn't using it. So I'm hoping this will help, but I don't know if it will. I could have went with one of the older models. There's I think a Noco 1, Noco 2 maybe, a 5, and the 10 is the latest. And someone suggested that the 10 is the best for vehicles. It can charge all types of batteries, and it's a faster charger, whereas, say, the Noco 1 would take 60 hours to charge. This can do it in 3 to 6 hours, and I guess that depends. So let me have a look inside the box. Nice. Okay, it's all sealed up. Okay, this is inside the box. Ooh, it's a heavy sucker. Whew. Okay, it comes with a plug and this looks pretty long as well. And then it's got your clamps and an instruction manual. So I'm going to read this because I want to get this going right away. Okay, first thing was to connect the cords. Where is it? And they're each protected with a little cap. Put positive to positive, negative to negative. And now I'm going to plug it in. And the extension cord goes all the way to there. So, let's see what happens. Okay, I plugged it in, a bunch of lights went on. Let me turn this around here. Okay, so it's in standby mode, and I have to press it 3 times to get to what I want. And I'm not really 100% sure because I'm guessing it needs repair as well as charging. Okay. I couldn't cycle it through to repair. I don't know why. Reason. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and hopefully we see some results. I'm guessing. I mean, I did read the manual, but I'm assuming when it gets fully charged, it'll go through all the bars to the big square there. Okay. The first light, the one that's it looks like it's flickering, that says it's 25% charge. When it gets to the big square, that means it's fully charged, and then it can go into repair mode. So, see how long this takes. Okay, it's only been an hour and a half, and it's charged apparently. So I'm gonna see if I can cycle through and get it to the repair mode. Where's repair? That's repair, so no, it's not doing it. Okay, so that's weird. Okay, so it did say it was fully charged, and now I don't know what's going on, because now it says back down to 25%. Oh no, it's moving up. Moving on up. So maybe it's okay to just leave it plugged in for a little bit longer, because that's pretty fast. Yeah, it's like, I don't know why I can't put it on the repair mode, or why it's supposed to be repairing it, but I don't know how to get it to repair, and now it went back down. That's weird. Okay, let me check the manual. Okay, it's been over 3 hours, and you can see where it's standing on the charge. Now, I came out at about an hour and a half, and it was saying it was charged. The green light was on, and then I touched the control button to try to get it into repair mode, and it wouldn't go. So then I put it back to charge, and it said it wasn't fully charged. So I don't understand what's going on, but I'm going to leave it and see what happens. So this is 3 hours. Okay, this has been charging for about 7 hours, and the green light is sort of pulsating. So I don't know that I should unplug it. I think I'm going to leave it. I was wrong before. The symbols on top, there's like a V, and then there's another one that looks like a battery with an X. That's what's supposed to be lit up if there's something wrong with the battery. Now, when it finishes charging, it's supposed to go into the repair mode right there, but I don't know if it's going to do that or if I have to do it. So I'm just going to let this keep going. Well, it's been overnight now, and the green light is still pulsating, so I don't know. It doesn't look like it's gone into repair mode. I might try it and see what happens later. I'm going to leave it plugged in for now. Okay, well, the last time I charged this was a week ago, and I was planning on, I took it out once, it was fine, so it's been sitting for a week since then, and let's see if it runs. Yeehaw! So, although I had it charging and it's working, or appears to be working, I never did see it go into actual repair mode. So if anybody has any information and can let me know, I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.